And replace is something I use a lot actually. So let's copy this over as values. So copy there, paste values. Okay. So supposing I decided I didn't want a space between these, so all I do is I select them all, I click on find and select, click on replace, and what I'm looking for is a blank, so I press space bar, so space bar there, so I'm looking for space bar for spaces, and I'm replacing it with no space bars, so we'll just take the space out in this selection only. So let's click on replace all. Yeah. 27 replaced because there were spaces underneath which we can't see. But this is not particularly with spaces, but with other things it is something I do a lot, because sometimes you end up with, especially if you're importing data from other places, you end up with things that you might not want. Let's give another example. So supposing we just wanted Jan, Feb, March. Now we can obviously, we could just do select that. We could do data, text to columns, fixed width, next. And we can click there and put them into two columns like that, and then we can just right click, and so this is now in two columns, which you can see. Now we can delete that, and then we get Jan, Feb, March. So that's one way of doing it. So let's just put these back together again. So equals that and space and that one, drag it down, then copy there, paste values. So now we want to copy there, paste values. So the other way of getting rid of the month of is to left click there, click on find and select, replace these three in this selection, replace all. There we go, Jan, Feb, March, perfect.